Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing really well. So today we're just going to do a quick video on this beautiful palette here. So we're just going to be swatching it. It's the Sigma Rosy Eyeshadow Palette, and I believe there's about 6 of these out. I'm not 100% sure, I'll have to check on Beauty Bay. Where I got it from there was only 2. They do a really nice green one. That one's called Sigma Ivy, but they didn't have it, so I chose this. And I also chose the Sigma Fiery, but I didn't get the Fiery one. It was just too orange based for my liking. So I just got this because of all the beautiful pink tones. It does have some red tones in it, so I'm not too sure how I'm going to feel about that. So let me take you over to the vanity and we'll do some swatches on this palette. Okay, so we've got my wipes and we've got the beautiful palette. So it just has 9 eyeshadows, so it's a Sigma Rosy. It has all the shades on the back of the palette as well. I normally keep these cardboard. I know a lot of you guys don't, but for some reason I do, because I'm a hoarder. It has the shades on the back there as well, which is good, and then just comes in cardboard, which I don't mind. I don't mind cardboard if that's how a company does it. Let's just zoom out a tiny bit. Yeah, if that's how a company does it, I don't mind it. I minded it with Colourpop because we had those nice plastic palettes, and then they changed it to cardboard. Anyway, this is beautiful. So we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers and 5, is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Yeah, it's 9. I had to think then for a minute because I've been swatching other palettes all day. Well, not all day. I've been swatching other palettes today. So they have names on, which is absolutely brilliant. I don't like it when a palette doesn't have names. It shows lack of imagination, doesn't it? But you'd think that they would with it being Sigma. This palette wasn't expensive at all. I mean, even at full price it's not expensive. At full price, where I got it from, it was 22. I got it in the sale for 15. I don't know why this was in the sale. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. So we're getting a matte cream ivory shade, which you all know that I absolutely love. I love it for the brow bone, and I love to place this over my eye base as well. So you're not going to be able to see it because your girl is pasty AF, but that's Demure. And then we've got Primrose. So what made me want to get this palette is it's one of Kelly Gucci's favourites, and she looks absolutely beautiful when she wears it. I don't expect to be looking that beautiful, but yeah, the really beautiful shade. So that's Primrose. That is a really nice all over lid shade and into the crease. I'd wear that by itself. Then we've got Flutter. Are you seeing this? Yeah. Then we've got Flutter. Ooh, it's I don't know how it's going to go on the lid. It is very sheer, but it's got like a duochromeness to it. I don't know if you're seeing that there. I'm going to try and build it up on my hand and hopefully you'll see it. Do 3 swatches. Right, so are you able to see that at all? It's a beautiful shade, but you do need to build it up to get the desired pigmentation. I think a glitter glue or just wetting your brush with like Fix Plus or a setting spray would do it really well. You get some good pigmentation there. Then we've got New Mod, which also looks like a beautiful shade. So that's that one there. Then we've got Morganite, which is another shimmer, which is that one there. And I watched a video on somebody else's swatching of this palette, and they seem to think the Colourpop making Mauves is very similar. It didn't look that similar, to be honest. Ooh, that is beautiful.
too full.
And then we've got Poppy. This is one of the ones I probably won't use a lot because it's a red toned eyeshadow. And they just, in fact, it's not that pigmented, so it might be alright. It might be good for the outer V. I'm swatching it twice, but can you see? It's not overly pigmented. So yeah, that's a good. Then we've got two shimmers on the bottom row. So we've got Fantasy. Ooh, look at that. I'm itching to try this palette, but I probably won't try it for weeks. This one's really shimmer as well. This one's got glitter in it. So yeah, you probably need a glitter glue with this. Then the last shimmer is called Regal, which is like a red toned one. Ooh, look at it. That one's quite pigmented, and again, it's not really a shade that I'd use. The more pinky tones are my kind of shades. And then the last one is called Jasper. So that's all 9 shades, guys. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you've got this palette and what you think of it, because I'm not going to get to it for a good while yet. So it's just going to go with the rest of my collection. I mean, at this rate, it might be something for me for Black Friday anyway, because I don't think I'm going to get to it for a while. Unless you want to see a few looks with it, and then of course I'll pull it out, because I like to give you guys what you want to see. So again, this is what it looks like in the packaging. Really, it's a really stunning palette. So final thoughts on the palette and what I think of the swatches on first impressions is it's a really stunning palette. It was worth the £15 that I paid. I pay around £15 for one single Colourpop eyeshadow palette or one Revolution palette. So the fact that I've got a Sigma palette for around the same price, I just had to jump on that bandwagon. I also got the bedding as well that I showed in the previous video, which is in the washing machine at the moment. So yeah, I got quite a good deal on both products there. I'm really glad to have them both, and hopefully I'll have a better night's sleep tonight, because it's so hot in the UK at the moment. It's, you know, it's getting to the point where I'm just sweating so badly. It's kind of gross really, but I'm sweating so badly at night because I've got quite a thick fleece bedding on my bed, because it's normally very cool all year round in my flat, and I like to be warm, but obviously this year has kind of proven me wrong, so I've had to get some new bedding. So hopefully tonight I'll sleep a lot better. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.